Now we learn output and input the oscillate. Okay, its mean is output. You can see the here x limit and to the b limit, and counters are success, plus the success. This means when we're working. Here we send a single to the PLC. The single here is oscillated the left, oscillated right is here, and the sender Y and the return Y is here, and the check gas you can see the here check gas here is the here check it right, and the start plus is the E stop, and the C alarm and the A alarm and the B alarm is servers the driver, and the welding off and on is welding on or off is the welding let the welding power by the on and off. Gas is if you check the gas here also the output let the welding power check the gas. Touch on and here touch down and off, and oscillator the on and off, and the LVC and the sender the Y and the return Y the output. Okay, here the alarm logic is if you want limit, and the C server driver have alarm. Here we change here send the message here. Okay, we check the limit on edge. Here is the X. This you can see the here, right? 再把按一下那个上面。Here is 按的 here 按的。Here is the Y. This okay. Okay, this is the input and the output of the MOSFET. We next do in the device run this program, test it. Okay, how to write. Okay. No wedding. We first learn no wedding. Okay, we next do learn wedding.